Hi, I'm Nate Bean with Integrity Automotive right here in downtown Issaquah. We want to thank you for helping our community as we work through these very difficult times by adhering to your stay-at-home policy. We also at Integrity Automotive are working diligently to not only be here to service your vehicle and provide you with our full line of services, but at the same time to help keep you and our staff safe and healthy. We are adhering to very strict guidelines here to keep your vehicle sanitized while still providing you with full service. Although we will not allow anyone except our own staff to enter our building for the safety of our staff, we are here to care for your vehicle, and we are offering vehicle pickup and delivery service. That means while you stay home safe with your family, we will help maintain your vehicle by coming to your home or your office, picking up your vehicle and bringing it to our service center and returning it to you sanitized and healthy when we are finished with the service. If you have need of any automotive service, please contact us either by telephone, online, or by email, and we can schedule your appointment online. We will communicate with you electronically throughout the entire service process. Our staff is all here. We are all healthy, and we are all keeping that way so that we can be here not only during this difficult time, but for many years to come. Because at Integrity Automotive, it's more than a name. It's how we do business.